Hello students, welcome in English class, and today we will start with article writing. Today we learn that how to write an article. Article writing. Firstly, we will write down the name of the topic and then why, that who is writing this article. Then first paragraph will be of introduction about the topic, and second paragraph includes merits, demerits of topic and causes and effects. And third paragraph contains what government, media, people should do to improve the issue of the given topic. Then at last, conclusion. So in this way we see that firstly we see that what is article. An article is a piece of non-fiction prose writing especially meant for newspapers and magazines. It usually describe or discuss something as like author's personal opinion or finding of a research. An article should be written down in 150 to 200 words on a given topic. What is an article? An article is an expression of one thought on an issue or subject. An effective article should include the following. Firstly, the title. Title should be catchy and effective. It can be of a word, a phrase, or even a short sentence, but it should be effective. Then its body. Firstly, introduction. It set up the context or purpose of writing and introduce the topic and hints at what is to follow in the subsequent paragraphs. Then development of ideas. The main point of the topic are described in 3 to 4 paragraphs, each dealing with only one major idea. Each paragraph must have a topic sentence that introduces or concludes all the subpoints in it. Then conclusion. In the last paragraph that sum up all the ideas or wind up the arguments and gives the writer's own opinion on the topic. Now we will see the format that how to write an article. Firstly, heading or title, but in catchy words. Then why, that who is writing this article. Then its body I divided into 3 parts as already I told you. In paragraph first, before giving the introduction, you can also use some slogan, some question or some amazing fact so that your article look more impressive. Then paragraph second, it contains causes, effects, present state or condition. Remember one thing there, that the para second and solution should be of maximum words. Your introduction of the article and conclusion may be of 3 or 4 lines, but its development of ideas should be in maximum words. And then in para third we will discuss about solution, that what steps should be taken by the government, media or people to improve the conditions. And then at last, conclusion. At last, remember one thing more, that use paragraphs. Paragraphs makes an article look organized, well knit, smooth and clear. So use several paragraphs in an article. The general rule is to use one paragraph for each major idea. All article must be written from a particular point of view. The author should keep in mind the readers and audience for whom the article is meant and write accordingly. I think now it is clear to you that how to write an article in an effective way. Have a nice and wonderful day. Thank you.